In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find recently sold houses on Redfin. Whether you're a potential buyer aiming to understand the market better, or a homeowner curious about property values in your area, knowing how to find this information efficiently can be incredibly helpful. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to Redfin's website. Redfin is one of the leading real estate brokerages, and it's known for its comprehensive database of listings and user-friendly interface. Once you're at the Redfin homepage, you'll be greeted by a search bar prominently displayed for easy access. This is where the action begins. Next, you'll need to type in the location where you're interested in reviewing recently sold properties. Think of a city or neighborhood that's on your radar. For this tutorial, let's use San Francisco as our example. So go ahead and type San Francisco into the search bar and hit enter. You'll notice a list of available properties starts populating based on your search parameters. Now that you've selected your location, you'll want to shift your focus to the upper portion of the interface, where it shows property status options like for sale. Typically, the default setting shows properties that are currently for sale. However, since we're interested in examining properties that have already been sold, we need to modify these filters. You'll see a series of tabs across the top. Among them, for sale. Click directly on this tab. Once you've done that, a drop-down menu will appear, providing different categories to choose from. Simply find and click on the option labeled Paradise. This will change the nature of the listings shown, allowing you to see properties that have already been sold rather than those currently up for sale. After selecting the Sold option, something crucial to note is that you can further refine your search by determining how far back you want to look. Perhaps you're only interested in houses sold within the last month, or maybe you'd like to see what's sold over the last 6 months. You can make this choice by selecting the time frame that best suits your needs. Once you've made your selection, click on Done to set your parameters in place. There you have it, a detailed and streamlined view of recently sold properties in your chosen area. Don't forget to scroll through the listings, click on Properties of Interest for more detailed information, and explore how sale prices compare across different properties and neighborhoods. And that's it! You've successfully navigated Redfin to find recently sold homes in your area of interest. This kind of information can give you a real edge in understanding the market dynamics and trends. Thanks for tuning in, and happy house hunting!